The other day I was working on something and I needed to drill a hole, but I didn't have the clearance to put this drill in. I had maybe that much clearance and there was no way I'm going to get that drill in. And the only thing I had to go around corners as far as attachments go was this, which fits into the drill chuck, but it's got a hex drive on it. It's for bits. And I don't have any drill bits that have the hex drive. So I decided to take an old electric drill and I took the chuck off. I just unscrewed it. And the thread in here was a half 20 thread. So what I decided to do was make a fitting that would fit in there. This is the fitting that I made. And it just screws into the back of the drill chuck like so. And then the chuck fits in here like so. And I was able to put a short drill in here and I had room to do what I wanted to do. Now the way that I made this was very easy. I cheated. What I've got here is a set of these things, and I picked one out. It says it's an 11/32 socket, but what I was looking for is this diameter across here. I wanted something close to a ½ inch, and this was a few thousandths larger than that. So I may have gotten away with running a die over this for a half 20 thread, but I put it in the lathe and took a few thousandths off just to make sure. And the result was this, which again fits in here, and I've got an adapter. The whole thing took less than 10 minutes to make. And now I can use this for putting normal drill bits in.